Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
What do you do?
I'm a manager.
What's this?
It's a book.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a little bit.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Who is he?
That's my brother.
Why are you late?
There was traffic.
When is your birthday?
It's in July.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What color is this?
It's blue.
Can I open the window?
Yes, please.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Where's the nearest ATM?
Around the corner.
How much is it?
It's $10.
Have you seen this movie?
No, I haven't.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Are you going to work tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Do you want to play a game?
Sure, let's go.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, it's dead.
Where did you buy that?
I bought it at the mall.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a license.
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love soccer.
What's your favorite color?
Black and white.
Are you watching TV?
Not right now.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate cereal.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite song?
Happy by Pharrell Williams.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Do you have homework?
Yes, a lot.
What's the date today?
It's April 19th.
Can you sing?
Not very well.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, let's go.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching Friends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite game?
I like playing chess.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, Mr. Smith is my favorite.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes on the weekends.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples the most.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but only in the shower.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like to go hiking.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, her name is Emily.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching basketball.
Do you like to read?
Yes, reading is one of my hobbies.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I keep a journal.
What's your favorite thing to study?
I love studying history.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love the Italian place downtown.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the theater?
I prefer the theater experience.
What's your favorite snack?
I can't resist potato chips.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
What's your favorite memory?
My trip to Paris last year.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, especially for clothes.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I make a great spaghetti.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I love the outdoors.
What's your favorite city?
New York City is amazing.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, especially soccer.
What's your favorite flower?
Roses are my favorite.
Do you like to go to parties?
Yes, I enjoy socializing.
What's your favorite drink?
I love fresh orange juice.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, it's a good way to stay fit.
What's your favorite thing about school?
I like learning new things.
Do you like to go on hikes?
Yes, I love nature.
What's your favorite thing to do in the evening?
I like to watch the sunset.
Do you like to learn new languages?
Yes, it's challenging but fun.
What's your favorite season?
I love fall because of the colorful leaves.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and drawing.
What did you have for lunch?
I had a chicken sandwich.
Do you like to watch TV?
Yes, I watch a little every evening.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days.
Do you play any sports?
I play tennis on weekends.
What's your favorite thing to do after school?
I like to read books.
Do you have a favorite place to visit?
Yes, the beach is my favorite.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I enjoy listening to jazz.
Do you like to go to the movies?
Yes, it's one of my favorite activities.
What's your favorite subject?
I really like science.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What's your favorite food?
I can never say no to pizza.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite holiday?
I always look forward to Christmas.